everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate emergency loan in Etisalat. Now to activate your Etisalat's reserve credit, that is emergency loan, the prepaid users who meet the eligibility criteria can subscribe by dialing a number. So first of all, we need to understand who is eligible for it. So to be eligible for the reserve credit, you must be a prepaid Etisalat user for at least 2 months, and you should have used at least 10 dirhams per month. Now you will receive an SMS notification from Etisalat inviting you to subscribe to the service. So if you get that, once you get the notification, you can then subscribe to the emergency loan by dialing 1081 hash. So you can just take a look at the credentials and the criteria over here, and in order to subscribe you will have to simply dial star 108 star 1 hash. So after dialing it, you will be able to subscribe for it, and once subscribed the services will automatically renew when your mobile credit balance reaches to 0. Now you will receive an SMS notification when your balance reaches to 1 dirham. So this is the thing. If you want to read more about it, I will put the link of this page down in the description. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.